I found a smart AI bird feeder camera called Birdfy Cam. It can automatically identify more than 6,000 species of bird. This is Birdfy feeder with volume of 1.1 liters. It automatically drops food for our lovely guests. The Birdfy Cam captures the moments of birds common. With a massive database of more than 6,000 species of birds, Birdfy Cam can instantly use its cutting-edge technology and AI recognition to identify the birds and deliver the information directly to your phone.
Eurasian tree sparrow? Squirrel, go away!
Birdfy's enhanced 1080 pixel FHD lens and 110 degrees wide view angle capture the live streaming of birds visiting, and those moments will be saved in the NetView app automatically. NetView Birdfy Cam, the choice of bird lovers.